let's go look at another one that we talk about every once in a while. How about we talk about good old Dag? Yeah. So is what it is. Problem. We didn't get through that 200 moving average. I warned you. I warned you all. You didn't want to listen. Got to believe your influencer, right? He's telling you the truth. It's not like he doesn't get paid by them or anything. He's telling you the truth. It's going to go way past 5 cents in a hurry, right? We'll be up there in no time. If we just draw some squiggly lines on the chart, that means the price is going to go up, right?
Wrong.
Wrong. That's right. Wrong. So we rejected that 200 moving average very, very mightily. Not great. As soon as it rejected the 200, it retreated in a hurry back underneath the 821, back underneath the 100 moving average, all the way down to the 50-day moving average. Now it's stuck in the mud, right? What does this mean for it? Well, let's go down to the weekly. You'll see that the weekly has moving averages sitting right here. It broke them, and now it's back testing them. That's nothing bad, all right? It's got good support here for what it's worth. Not only do you have the moving averages right there, but you got this 236 fib right here acting as good support. This is a 20% move down after hitting 5 cent plus. Not great. It also could be failing this trend line. Trend line's a little bit subjective. I understand that. If it's in log or linear, I get it. So maybe it's not broken the trend line, but either way, it's not what you want to see. RSI went to overbought and immediately retreated. You don't want that. And then our MACD, 4 big volume bars in a row of red. That's not going to get it. That moved you down from, minus 4% to minus 20% very rapidly. How's the Ichimoku cloud look? Uh-oh. You've got a green cloud on the end. That's good. You've got the blue line over the red line. That's conversion over base. You got the lag line over the candles. Barely, but it's over. Problem. Price is now in the cloud. That's not going to get it. It needs to get its ass back out the cloud real fast. If it doesn't, you're going to get more sideways and down, and that's all there is to it. I know a lot of people are waiting with bated breath on this one to see this thing go up. You put a lot of money into it. You locked money up. You trust people with your money. You locked money up and bet on it that would last. You know what? I hope you win, but folks, you better walk softly. Right? I don't want to see everyone get killed here on their money. I want to see everybody win, like me or not. Right? I'm on your team whether you love me or you hate me. I want to see everybody win. I don't want to see people have smoke blown up their asses, and I think that happens a lot, especially with influencers. And I try my best not to blow smoke. Really, really do. So I'm going to always be blunt and honest with you, and if it hurts feelings, it hurts feelings. It's not the intention. The intention is not to make you feel bad. The intention is to be real with you. All right? Like grown men do. When we see something, and this is what we do for a living, we tell everybody that we see it, and we be honest and open about it, right? And I see this happening a lot, where people get stuck, can't get out, don't know what to do. Don't let that be you, okay? Here's the monthly, last little bit of this. Closing above the 236 right here at 4.1, call it 4 cents, would be great. That does have sell pressure on the top of it, but it could wick chase and try to get back out of the hole there. I'm still with the same numbers here of about 6 cent to 10 cent. That 8 cent level is right in there, right? And you've got seen how aggressively that 200 moving average is pointing down on the daily, or not daily, weekly. There we go. Look at that. That thing's really angling down pretty aggressively. It looks like that 200 is going to make it to 6 cents, not the 6th cents, 6 pence, 6 pennies, 6 cent. 6.5 cent at the 382 fib. Honestly, that becomes my next target. But this bearish engulfing on the weekly is pretty darn ugly, so it may take a while to sort out. All right. I still think there's gains here. I just wouldn't get your hopes up for massive. Oh my God, we're blowing it out of the water, monsoon stuff. That's not helping anybody by doing that. And no news or news articles or bullish talk is going to change that.